everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day. We made it out here to the inlet, so we're gonna see what kind of fish we can catch. And we got Buddy with us again, so let's get to it.
I'm not your buddy, pal.
Listen to this guy. Matanzas Inlet. We got some live sand fleas. Pretty calm day, unlike the other day where it looked like a washing machine out here. But anyway, we're gonna toss these sand fleas out here. See if we can catch something. The current is ripping, so we're gonna see if the 3-ounce pyramid will work, but try not to fling these guys off here.
Oh yeah, there's something there.
Yeah, I got it in my eye.
Huh?
I said it got in my eye.
Oh no, I thought the wind was blowing the other way.
All right, on the big rod, we got a half of a blue crab. So we're gonna see if anything big wants to munch. This way a little bit because the current is ripping real hard. It's just pulling the bait this way anyway. So we're gonna set up on this little point and just cast straight out. And the current will just pull it straight out rather than, you know, yeeting it away. But I got 2 fresh sand fleas on here and a piece of shrimp and then a little piece of fish bites on each one. So see if we can catch something. Guess we haven't caught anything on the big rod yet. Might switch to a piece of cut bait. Maybe that'll work better. But I don't know. Lost one of them to one of the mullet heads or something on here.
Yeah.
The crab's probably about done anyway.
Yeah.
All right, we got this piece of ladyfish head here. We're gonna try instead of the blue crab because we haven't gotten anything yet. So get right between the eyes, and I bet we catch something. Tell me that's not gonna catch a fish. Yeah, exactly. I got just a little jig head tied on, and I got this little gulp crab. I've never used these before, so honestly I'm not really sure if it'll work or not. I'm just gonna try it a little bit everywhere over here. I mainly thought about using it up back there by the bridge, so we'll try that here in a minute, but we'll see if we can get anything. So here's what we got.
Oh,
just
nice.
A little,
Crab.
give it a sniff. Yeah.
Interesting smell.
Yeah. So
that was a fish.
I would enjoy that smell.
It would be delicious.
So
That'd be like a fresh baked meat.
yeah. So it's not a whole lot of weight. So I don't know how far I'm gonna be able to cast it, but
Like St Augustine. You're hanging out and you walk by the ice cream.
yes.
That's what that is. All that area with sweets and ice cream. That is that for a fish.
Absolutely. So
I would destroy that.
I'm thinking over there by the bridge.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't.
Yeah, I'll walk over there too.
Alright.
Maybe.
So
But
nothing over here?
no. Doesn't seem like it.
Yeah.
Well, actually I'm gonna change to the needlefish thing.
Oh yeah.
An attempt. I'll do it.
Yeah.
At least I can say I tried.
You did, yeah. At least that bird can catch some fish. Something was biting at it. I don't know what it was. Probably just something small. I think we got something now. Oh. Yep, we got something. It's a ladyfish maybe because I saw it jump. Dawson! Oh, the bluefish. There we go. Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
How big do you have to be? 12?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I can't remember. He's got to keep. Come on.
Although I saw him jump out of the water, so I thought it was maybe a ladyfish, but yeah. Yeah, this guy is 13, so he's a keeper. Yeah, it says 12 inches to the fork, and he's 13.
Yes. We got to keep it.
All right.
Finally.
I finally got one.
Something.
All right. Using the bluefish head as bait. So let's see if we can't catch something big. I'm gonna wait out here, see how far I can get it out. See if we can catch big fish. Ooh, that's cold. I guess I'll wait on this boat. No. Not super far, but it'll be alright.
Oh, he was like pulling the rod into the water.
Yeah.
Oh, crazy.
I guess it just cut the leader.
Oh, sharky bait.
I think that was a big fish. Dang it, guys. I didn't have the camera recording, but the big rod just got hit so hard that it was literally, it's a good thing I was right next to it because it was about to pull it in the water. Dang it, it cut the leader, I guess. Gosh, that's disappointing, but hopefully we can catch something decent today. Tied on. There's people over here left, so we're gonna see if we can catch anything over here near these pylons. Seeing a few people off this bridge catch some fish, so we'll see. You're gonna be trying like up close to the pylons?
Huh?
You're gonna be trying like up close to the pylons?
Yeah, probably.
You might want to make sure your drag is kind of tight. Because you don't want it to, and break you off.
Yeah.
You have a fish? You gotta tighten the drag. Oh, now I'm tired from running all the way over here. Is it another bluefish? No, it's catfish. Chunky one though. Good job. I saw the pole go down and then I saw you stand up. Yeah.
That's a nice catfish.
Yeah, it is.
You should keep it.
You want to cook it up?
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, it's big enough.
It's way big enough.
Because
this thing is thick.
You can feel where the fillet is, I think. It's like, it's not as big as it looks, but it's there.
Yeah, this is a thick catfish.
Oh yeah.
This is the biggest one I think we've caught out here.
Yeah, that's the biggest one I've like seen in person.
Yeah, that's what I mean, like since we've been going.
Oh yeah.
How does this even happen? When they run the bait up the line?
It doesn't even make sense.
All right, let's get this thing back out there. Hey, get out of here, bird. Just tangled up. I thought it was a fish, but
Oh, you get snagged?
I think.
Oh. No!
It was just the shrimp heads we threw down there.
Great. I was gonna use that shrimp head. Good fish.
Oh no.
Big at least.
Well, it's better than nothing, but look how thick that stomach is.
Oh yeah, that guy's big.
A little bit down the way. We're under this bridge right here. So we're gonna see if we can catch anything else before we go home. Saw some mullet jumping out of the water up here, but we'll give her a try. Dang it. That was definitely a fish. Oh yeah, there's definitely something. Yeah, cast out there.
Right.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
It's a monster.
Literally add this one to the cooler.
Oh yeah. That's 2 or 3 meals right there.
At least. I'm gonna try again. Yep, here it goes.
Like right out there.
Yeah, it's just straight out that way. Guess I better check my bait.
Yeah.
Some of them is definitely munching. Yep.
Oh yeah.
That'll do it. There's so much bait right there.
Oh yeah. Oh.
You got one?
Yeah.
Oh, that one seems better.
Maybe.
Oh, that one's way better than the one I got. Come on, Dawson, what's it gonna be?
Oh, little red.
Oh, it's a redfish. It ain't gonna make it, but
No, it's
hey, that's better than a catfish.
it's my first red.
Oh, is it really?
Oh yeah.
Looky there.
All right.
Say cheese, buddy.
Cheese.
First redfish. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Not a bad one.
Yeah, I mean, it's a fish.
It is a fish. You need me to hold the pole?
Yeah, sure. I'm having trouble.
Oh, look how blue the tail is.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It's He's ready to go. He's like,
Off you go.
absolutely not.
You ain't eating me.
Oof, we're gonna lose our bait. Why'd you let it get so far from me?
It would have been okay after that. They're coming for the attack.
Oh no! Race! It's kind of scary.
Well, we already saw more action than those bird watchers earlier.
Yeah, right? There were so many of them.
It's like a flash mob.
It's a flock.
I'm gonna try a little voodoo shrimp. See if I can get anything. All right. What a giant. All right, we made it back home. We got our fillets, and we got a bag with 2 eggs in it, and a bag with some flour and some lemon pepper in it. So we're gonna fry them up and see how it tastes. Mmm.
Delicious.
It's way easier to do it in a bowl, or
Yeah.
in a bag than in a bowl. All right. Do our oil test. Looking good.
Oh yeah.
All right. Looking good. Pretty well. Looking pretty tasty. Should we do a little sprinkle?
Oh yeah.
Trying to keep it simple so that we can actually taste it.
Beautiful.
Just one more thing.
They're all looking pretty good.
Do a big popper right here.
Oh yeah. The grandpappy lemon.
Okay, it looks like a lemon.
But does it taste like a lemon?
You want to give it a try?
Sure. It tastes like a lemon.
All right. All right, here's what we're working with. Looks pretty good in my opinion. So, Get you a piece.
Oh yeah. Don't mind if I do.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
And that's how you catch dinner from the ocean. So, we're gonna sit here and enjoy this. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you over the horizon.